Hey music friends, today I want to show you how to quickly and easily create a rhythmic gating or stutter effect in your projects. Let's go. My name is Jeff and welcome to Ignite Music Project. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to learn how to make great sounding music from your home or bedroom studio, start right now by subscribing and make sure to click the bell icon so that you don't miss anything. Here's what you're going to need in order to create this effect. One, you're going to need a piece of audio that you want to apply the stutter effect to. Two, you're going to need some rhythmic content that is going to provide the rhythm that we're going to use. And number three, you need a noise gate that has a sidechain. That is right, we're going to use a noise gate. Now, there are tons of ways to create a stutter or a rhythmic gating effect, but this is an easy way to get it started and to start adding some movement to your tracks. So take a listen to this basic sine wave synth chord that I've recorded here. Okay, so really boring, right? Let's spice things up a little bit and use this loop that I found in Apple Loops to provide some movement to this. So here's the loop by itself. Kind of cool, right? Let's go ahead and mute it. It's because we don't actually want to hear it at this point. But our next step is to put a noise gate onto the synth. Now here's the key step. You want to set the side chain of the noise gate to be whatever rhythmic element you're bringing in, whether that's a drum loop or whatever. This is going to tell the noise gate when to actually start working. Now listen to what happens to the synth as I start to dial in the threshold. A lot more interesting, right? It's pretty cool. It's actually taking the rhythm of the drum loop and using it to create this gating or stutter effect. You can adjust how it sounds a little bit further by messing with the attack, the hold, and the release. Listen to what happens when I mess with those. Let's actually bring in the drum loop to hear how it sounds alongside our synth with the gating effect. A lot more interesting, right? It's super easy. This approach isn't perfect. It's not super versatile and you can't do everything with it, but it's an easy way to put some rhythm and a stutter effect to any piece of audio within your project. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with a music friend. And if you have an approach or a way that you like to add rhythm or a stutter effect to your tracks and your projects, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what you guys are doing. Until next time, see ya.